Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing another unboxing and I'm very excited about this one. This is the Monster High Minis and this is the first series, and I actually haven't heard of these until I went to Walmart and then I saw them in the little box. So there's over 70 to collect, and these are like little mystery figures of the Monster High characters. So very cool, and yeah, I haven't heard of these, so I don't know. Back here I think it says 2015, but I don't know. Yeah, 2015, but I haven't heard of them or seen them until like the other day when I was getting them. This was the only box that was not ripped opened and like ripped into, but like, look, like I guess someone tried opening it, but whatever. This one's not open, so we're gonna figure out who we get here today. So we're gonna open it right now. So let's see who we get. Okay, so let's see. How do I take this one? I guess I can do this. Okay, so it has like a little cardboard type of casing around it. There you go. Oh, it's like a little locker. That's so cute. So I guess this is... Oh my gosh. How appropriate. We got Skeleta. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute she is. Let me see if I can like focus a little bit. Oh, that's out of focus. Let's see, focus. There we go. So cute. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. Very cute. Adorable. And she can sit down. So inside the little locker comes a little pamphlet that tells you which ones we could have gotten. So these are the ones we could have gotten. These are from the original. Excuse me, there you go. Original. These are the original ghouls. We got Frankie, Draculaura, Claudine, Cleo, the rest of them, all the originals. And then there's Circus. I really wanted a Circus one. There's a Circus one. Oh, sorry. Circus one's up here. I'm over here showing you the power ones. So the Circus one's up here. Super cute. And the power ones. So I guess like superheroes. Ghostly ones. These look like they're like transparent probably. And on the back we get beach ghouls. They're so cute. Wearing little bathing suits. Ragdoll ghouls. These are so cute too. Sleepover. Some of these have their eyes closed. Very cute. And then the last ones you can get out of are the candy ghouls. Very cute. Pattern ghouls. Very cute as well. And space ones. These are cute too. Oh, and you can get Deuce. I think he's the only guy on here, isn't he? Oh no, he's right here too. I didn't even notice. You can get him right here too. I think he's the only guy in here. Yeah, that's interesting. So you can get like normal Deuce, or you can get space Deuce. So that's pretty cool. So we got Skeleta, and I'm pretty sure this is the original, maybe? Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the original one. Oh. Focus, focus. Why doesn't it want to focus? Okay, well, that's probably as best as we're gonna get it. So, yeah, I think this is the original. What do you guys think? This is what she looks like. in comparison to the actual figure. So I think it's the original. Yeah, it looks pretty right. Oh, and this tells you like it's like a little meter to tell you how common they are or whatever. And I think all of these are common. Yeah, the one we got is pretty common. And a few of the originals are actually not so common. They're a fantastic find. So I guess not so common are these three. And then the rest are just common. So we got Skillita, very cute. She's a Mexican ghoul from Hexico, I think. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember. But that's pretty cool and very appropriate for me.